Yes, when I'm assigned to take English subject in class 1 and 2, before coming to very complex concept about English, we have to focus on basic need of the subject that child needs. So we have to focus on first letters, alphabets then sounds, familiarization with the sound and word formation. First child has to learn how to read words correctly with proper pronunciation. So for that we have to familiarize the children with sounds, phonic. So here we can follow certain activities that will make class very interesting and child will pay attention for learning English, right? So to create interest and develop curiosity among the children to learn English, we can opt certain activities in the class that would help children in a very fruitful way and very joyful way. Here one of the activities I have taken, it is called word slider. With this help child will learn reading of words. Say for example, here see, I'll show the child and ask him to read. He will try to read. What is it? Hop. He will try to read it. Hop. Then I'll move this slider upward. Then I'll ask to read it. He will read. Drop. Like this, I'll keep moving it upward. See. Top. Then another word. See. Stop. So with this activity, child will have curiosity in learning English subject, and English subject will not be boredom to the students, rather it will be very joyful to the student. Another activities I can follow: play flip over vowels. This activity is called play flip over vowels. See here, vowel is written A. Assuming child is familiar with the vowels, now see, child will try to read it. Mat. Then I'll place it. See, he will child read it. Now rat. R-A-T, rat. Then I will move it further. See, bat. So this activity is also going to make the child learn in a very happy mood, in a very interesting way. Another activity I can take, use of flashcards. The flashcards, and here see, this way I have written already a vowel A. Now I'll ask the children to pick up flashcards from this and place over it to make meaningful words. For example, here already A is written, so he has to choose letter, flashcard that contains letter. He'll place it this side. Another letters he'll place this side. Say for he picks C. He puts here C. See here C. Then child is going to pick up another flashcard that contains correct letter and that will make correct word. see, he will try to put T. It is now cat. Like that, he is going to make many words by picking appropriate flashcard out of this here. See, he will place here mat. Children, one by one, child will come and try to enjoy it. He will place it. He will do activities like this. Another, see, I'll show you the child you letter. You. And I'll ask the child to place flashcard this side and this side to make meaningful words. So like child will see, he'll place it here, C. Then he will try to find letter T, cut. Right? Cut. Then I'll ask another flashcard you pick up. He will pick up this. It will be hut, right? And another vowel is there. I will shift it to O. This O. Now he will try to search appropriate flashcard that contains letter. See here, he H-O. H-O. Now he will imagine, he will think H-O, what other letter that will be picked up by the student can make correct word. So he'll try H-O-T, hot. He can pick up this, he can pick up this flashcard also. It will be how. Like these activities, class can be very very joyful. We can make class very joyful, and children will learn this English in a very happy mood and a very interesting way. So these activities are going to inculcate interest among the students, right? So in class, while teaching class 1 and 2, we have to follow certain activities, like these activities we can take up, and these activities are going to make children very comfortable in learning English. Thank you.